Can I pay Newton with KYC? Intro. Hey there, you've just discovered a groundbreaking new cryptocurrency investment platform called Newton. You're eager to dive in, but a nagging question lingers. Can you pay Newton with KYC? Let's find out together. Hook. Have you ever wondered if you can use your traditional banking methods to invest in cryptocurrencies? Well, today, we're going to explore that very question. We'll delve into the world of KYC, understand its significance in the crypto space, and see if Newton accepts it as a payment method. What is KYC? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process used by financial institutions to verify the identity of their clients. It's a crucial measure to prevent money laundering, fraud, and other illicit activities. Think of it as a security checkpoint that ensures everyone playing the game is doing so fairly. Why is KYC important in crypto? The cryptocurrency world, while innovative and exciting, is also prone to risks. KYC helps to mitigate these risks by ensuring that only legitimate individuals and entities are involved in transactions. This not only protects the integrity of the crypto ecosystem but also enhances investor confidence. Newton and KYC. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you pay Newton with KYC? The short answer is yes, but with a caveat. Newton does indeed require KYC verification for all new users. This is a standard practice in the industry and is essential for complying with regulatory requirements. However, the specific methods you can use to pay Newton may vary depending on your location and the available options in your region. So, while KYC is a general requirement, the exact payment methods may differ. How to pay Newton with KYC? To pay Newton with KYC, you'll typically need to follow these steps. Create a Newton account. Verify your identity by providing the necessary documentation, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once your identity is verified, you can fund your Newton account using various methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, or cryptocurrency deposits. The specific payment options available to you will depend on your location and Newton's partnerships with local payment providers. Benefits of paying Newton with KYC. Paying Newton with KYC offers several benefits. Security. KYC helps to protect your funds and prevent unauthorized access to your account. Compliance. By complying with KYC regulations, you ensure that your crypto investments are legal and transparent. Trust. KYC enhances the trust and credibility of the crypto industry, making it more attractive to mainstream investors. Access to a wider range of services. Once your identity is verified, you may gain access to additional features and services offered by Newton, such as margin trading or staking. Challenges of paying Newton with KYC. While KYC is generally a positive step, it can also present some challenges. Verification time. The verification process can sometimes take time, especially if you encounter issues with document validation. Data privacy concerns. Sharing personal information can raise concerns about data privacy and security. Alternatives to KYC. If you're uncomfortable with the KYC process or prefer to maintain anonymity, there are alternative crypto platforms that may not require strict KYC measures. However, these platforms may have limitations in terms of features, services, and regulatory compliance. Conclusion. So, can you pay Newton with KYC? The answer is yes, but the specific payment methods may vary depending on your location. KYC is a standard requirement in the crypto industry and offers several benefits, including security, compliance, and trust. While there may be challenges associated with KYC, the overall advantages often outweigh the drawbacks. If you're looking for a reliable and regulated crypto platform, Newton is a solid choice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.